History is a long story. History is a long story. The past is very important. The past is very important. Ancient times were long ago. Ancient times were long ago. A kingdom has a king. A kingdom has a king. The empire became very large. The empire became very large. Many people built great cities. Many people built great cities. The war ended long ago. The war ended long ago. Peace came after the war. Peace came after the war. Records show us the truth. Records show us the truth. We study the medieval period. We study the medieval period. A civilization had unique culture. A civilization had unique culture. The revolution changed everything fast. The revolution changed everything fast. Historians write about the past. Historians write about the past. He ruled for many years. He ruled for many years. The dynasty lasted very long. The dynasty lasted very long. A monument honors the hero. A monument honors the hero. The treaty stopped the fight. The treaty stopped the fight. Artifacts are very old objects. Artifacts are very old objects. The explorer discovered new lands. The explorer discovered new lands. Trade helped the city grow. Trade helped the city grow. Centuries passed by very slowly. Centuries passed by very slowly. Society changed during this time. Society changed during this time. Legends tell us old stories. Legends tell us old stories. The era was truly unique. The era was truly unique. History is fun to learn. History is fun to learn.